Hurry, Sadie! Get in! Come on, Daddy!
Daddy! My book's over here!
Daddy, hurry!
Hurry! Hold on!
Hurry, Daddy!
Daddy!
Ah, it's coming, Daddy! Your butt!
Get in here!
Some people say true love goes deeper with miles away. 4 in the morning, I'm lying awake, thinking about how it used to be. For me, you leave the light on. You keep guiding me home. I've been broke down and tired, so tired. You keep guiding me home. Always waiting for my call. I'm praying. For me, you leave the light on. You keep guiding me home.
Well, it's definitely nice to be camping again and back in the woods, and it smells so fresh, and it's really not that hot. It's like a little muggy, but not that hot. And you can hear the thunder in the distance, and we're like praying that it doesn't storm on us. But yeah, even if it does, we're here for it, and it's just nice to be in like such a peaceful place. Little Pee Dee State Park is located in Dillon, South Carolina. So it's only a little bit more than an hour from where we live. It's just like, to get here, you just pass like a ton of like fields and farms and country roads. And then here's this beautiful state park. Goodness.
Well, that's just a headboard.
Daddy hooked us up. What do you think?
I like it.
Camping in style here.
See, I like it. I got it.
You definitely got it.
I think we already have some of these made. You didn't have to buy this.
Oh, and it
I
says,
wasn't sure.
You keep videoing me doing this bed like I'm the one gonna use this bed.
It's all for us.
This is for you, babe.
Is it even really camping? I don't know.
It's like we're in a palace right now.
Yeah.
This is bigger than my own bed. Like, this is nicer than my own bed.
Thanks, babe. That's pretty sweet.
Yeah, I like that covered area. Porn, but not on the campsite.
I guess it's
I love it.
Yeah.
It's getting stormy. I hope it doesn't rain. I was just singing a song that I hope it rains.
Is that your rain dance?
Daddy, show us your rain dance.
Show me your rain dance. There's the campground host. That used to be us back in Florida. Our setup wasn't quite that cool though.
Rub the
Hood and Little John running through the forest, laughing back and forth to the other had to say. Reminiscing this and that and having such a good time. Oodalali, oodalali, golly, day.
Scrape.
Oh.
They was never ever thinking there was danger in the water. They was drinking, they was guzzling it down.
Hey, Daddy.
Never dreaming that a scheming sheriff and his posse was a gathering and walking around. Robin Hood and Little John running through the forest, jumping fences, hopping ditches, trying to get away.
This might be a one-night camping trip.
We came up with a tent.
Escaping, finally making it.
Thunderstorms likely in the morning. I didn't even. Did you check the weather?
Nope.
I didn't even think about checking the weather. Oh, well. Such is life. I'll lay in that tent all day and read my book. I'll finish
That's
it.
a good song.
You hear those frogs? We should catch them like Beaver and Wally did. Beaver just dove in and got him. Come on, you go ahead. Go ahead. You think Mom would? She's not scared.
No thanks.
Not cool anymore.
Oh my God, Daddy.
Not even saying that I was
Old time classic
What
beer.
else you need, babe?
hanging on to my youth,
Beer.
getting longer too, trying not to keep score. Not cool
Nope.
anymore.
Yeah. It's good.
Maybe I was when I was 20.
Right now I'm making burgers. Alright, so these say to cook for 7 minutes in the air fryer, but I like my burgers to be a little bit well done. These kind of look like meatballs right now, so I'm going to flip it over and put it back in for like another 5 minutes. There we go.
It'll like get done too.
Sorry, I forgot.
Right, let's see how these look.
What's it looking like, straight?
Oh, so much better than before. They're really round. I don't know why they rounded so much, but let's see if they're done.
Come on, see.
Okay, let's just start over.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
And
3, 2, 1.
let's
Nah,
it's
still
the
kind of
four
raw
instead.
in the middle.
Yeah.
So much better. Yep, those look cooked.
That's not right there.
You want to keep tossing, Daddy?
I think we're about to eat, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're about to eat it up.
Not
We got
cool
Burmans made
anymore.
it. Nice.
This is the Aldi brand.
Burn. How many makes me catch up?
It's a good looking burger.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
How much easier is that than trying to grill or start a propane little stove?
Still a lion, but I've lost my road.
Hey guys, we're in our tent and it hasn't rained yet. It's about 10 o'clock almost and Sadie's just writing. It's a pretty sweet setup. But anyways, I'm gonna keep the camera close, that way if it does rain in the middle of the night, you guys know about it. But hopefully it doesn't. Good night.
Peace out.
How'd you sleep last night?
Amazing.
Really? What was the best part?
The best part of sleeping? Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I got a huge bed in the tent.
The fan was pretty good too, huh?
I couldn't even tell what was there. The crickets were louder than the fan.
Yeah, that's true. Well, we survived the night.
Mom, you can't
We
survive.
survived. Okay, we had a really good night.
We survived.
Hunter made breakfast this morning and I made some cold brew coffee. which is surprisingly delicious. Thankfully, it didn't even rain last night. We didn't get any rain. Hunter said it lightning for like a few minutes, but we didn't even get any rain. So that's awesome. And today the sun is shining. The weather is sweet.
Make you want to move your dancing feet to the rescue. Here I am. Want you to know you're where I
Hurry, Sadie! Get in! Come on, Daddy!
Daddy!
My book's over here.
Daddy, hurry!
Hurry!
Hold on.
Hurry, Daddy!
Daddy!
Ah, it's coming, Daddy!
You're fine! Get in here!
Get in, scoot back! Scoot back!
I knew it was a bad idea to go to the river.
To the river.
You wanted to go to the river.
Ooh, there we go, we're safe. It's pretty awesome.
You can't even see it on the camera.
Not really, but you can hear it.
It's not bad.
Everything's fine, Sadie. Don't worry.
It's the best camping in the rain when you got a good tent. This tent's perfect. You don't like it, Sadie? It's alright.
Everything's fine. Don't
Everything's fine,
worry.
little sweet pea.
Get in here.
That fan feels good, doesn't it?
get in mind, and often you won't let it out. Feeling tired, guessing my bones through the night. While I'm awake, I cannot say it's odd to be nervous to leave my love at your gate. So don't hold back, and I'll get to greeting you good. Your voice breaks, feeling like I thought it would. Mornings with me, oh, I cannot say as long as you know it. Then let's get on with the day. Let's unwind, don't worry your mind. There's paradise waiting for us in summertime. The warm vibes, set your tensions aside. There's a paradise waiting for us in summertime. When you look in my eyes, you'll find the pleasure is mine. There's a paradise waiting for us in summertime. And when I'm making you smile, then it's the perfect delight. It's paradise waiting for us in summertime.
Hi guys, welcome. We are at Little Pee Dee State Park and it's been a really long time since we've done a camping video, so we decided we're gonna do one here. And I asked on Instagram for everyone to send us questions that we can answer for old time's sake. So here we are, we have a few really good questions that we're gonna answer. Okay, so the first legit question is, do y'all miss living the camper life?
I do. It was really fun living the camper life.
What do you miss most about it?
That almost every day or once a week we would go to a different state park, and I just get so happy arriving to a new spot.
That's a really good answer. How is the wildlife camping? I'm scared.
I'm scared.
Why don't you answer that one, babe?
There's bugs all over me right now. Flies, mosquitoes,
What they mean?
Do we see a lot of wildlife though?
squirrels.
We don't see much wildlife, and if we do, it's never like bears or
It's never too scary. It's like raccoons and squirrels.
yeah.
We see foxes at our house sometimes.
But it's not really traveling. Why does that matter?
I'm just trying to think of animals that we see. When we went out west, we were scared. I was scared of bears and bobcats and mountain lions and things like that. But we don't have any of that here. All right, so this question is specifically for Sadie from one of our dance friends. What is Sadie's favorite memory from this summer so far?
Wait, this summer? Like no, last year. This summer?
This summer.
Not last year.
Do I have to say like one certain memory or just some like?
Just any kind
Your
of memory.
favorite memory.
Remember when
One
I
of
fed
your
you dinner?
favorites.
Remember I made you pizza?
No. This summer, whenever I saw all my dance friends again, because that was really fun.
That's a really good one. That is a good memory. What is the best camping hack?
Camping hack?
Yeah.
It's not really a hack. I would say keeping a roll of toilet paper in your tent at night. In case you gotta poop into woods.
That's a good one.
I've hacked that a few times.
Sadie and I actually had to get up last night out of our tent and go to the bathroom, but we didn't walk to the bathhouse. We just
They poop beside my tent.
we didn't poop at the tent. Okay, the next question's for all of us. Favorite camping memory. Favorite camping memory.
I'm not going first.
Okay, one of my favorite camping memories was when Hunter dropped his Yeti in the, was it Tongue River in Wyoming?
Try and get it.
See that piece of trash?
Yeah?
Kind of up to get it down. It went down that whole. I think it's stuck right down in there.
Oh, you can't get over there?
It's too far. That one rock. There's one rock where it's like you have to almost jump, and it's all slippery on those rocks. And I don't
What if
know.
you went from there to that big one over that way and then over?
Tried.
You tried?
I was already halfway out there. I almost fell in. I had to grab myself and fall in.
Oh gosh. That was hilarious because he was like trying to like jump on rocks, chasing it like down the river, and he never got it back. But it was pretty funny at the time.
My funniest
Favorite camping
favorite.
memory.
Well, this is one of them. This isn't probably my favorite, but this is one of my favorites. Wait, I had it in my mind. Oh yeah, whenever I said, yeah, look at that dog.
That was really funny. This is so amazing.
Yeah! Woo!
It's so loud too, isn't it?
Yeah!
Did you find rocks to climb on?
Yeah! Look at that dog!
My favorite is coming out here, Little Pee Dee.
Little Pee Dee. There's been a really lot of good memories camping. Like Hunter proposed to me when we were camping, and we drove to Alaska. We towed a camper to Alaska, and we saw the Northern Lights when we were camping. That was really fun. We've had a lot of really good times.
Colorado,
camping.
11 Mile was really fun.
Yeah. All right, next one is camping or glamping?
Camping.
Camping.
Glamping.
Oh, we know your mama want to be glamping in the house.
All right, the next one, where are you headed?
Where you headed? Like to Florida, baby?
Home. Back home.
Favorite camping spot ever?
What is it? Medicine
Medicine Lodge?
Favorite.
Medicine Lodge.
Oh, you just copied me.
No, I'm not. I love the river
That
there.
was so beautiful.
Yeah, it was the
Medicine
best.
Lodge is like hands down all of our favorite camping experiences. Sadie, you can't go over the waterfall.
Take me back there.
definitely the coolest campsite we've ever had. We highly recommend it. If you're ever at Medicine Lodge State Park, it's site 21 right here. Gorgeous waterfront right next to the cliff. So definitely check it out.
Goodbye. Come back again.
Bye.
1, 5, set your tensions aside.
That's probably be fine.
There's a given